hi there grade 6 pupils, welcome back again to another video lesson. So this will be the second part of our discussion for grade 6 mathematics quarter 1 week 4. So during the first part, so diniscuss po natin yung addition and subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000s. So without and with regrouping. So after natin i-discuss yung topic na yon, ang kasunod po niya, syempre, is yung application ng addition and subtraction of decimals, which is solving routine and non-routine problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals. So, let's start. So, for our lesson objectives, at the end of this video lesson, students, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals. So, ayan, kapag routine, so ang involved lang po dyan is one operation, and then kapag non-routine naman is two or more operations. So, let's have the first problem. At the school's supplies shop, Mike bought the following items: backpack, which cost 450 pesos and 25 centavos, ball pens, which cost 76 pesos and 50 centavos, and notebooks, which cost 123 pesos and 75 centavos. How much does he need to pay for his purchase? So in solving word problems, there are steps that we need to follow. So the first step is to understand. So under understand, we have to identify what is asked and what are given. Okay, so una muna, what is asked? So ibig sabihin, ano ang kailangan nating sagutan? Ano ang hinahanap ng problem? Ano ang kailangan nating isolve? So ito po yung pwede nating ilagay. So, how much does he need to pay for his purchase? The total amount of money that Mike should pay for his purchase. Next, what are given? So, what are given naman? So, ang ilalagay po natin dito is yung mga clues na kailangan natin para masagot yung ating tanong. So, ang ilalagay po natin dito is yung presyo ng backpack, ball pens, and notebook. So, yung backpack, ang presyo po niya is 450 pesos and 25 centavos. And then, yung ball pens naman, nagkakahalaga ng 76 pesos and 50 centavos. And then, yung notebooks naman, nagkakahalaga ng 123 pesos and 75 cents. So, yan po yung mga makakatulong para masolve natin yung problem. Next step, so plan. So what is or are the operations to be used? So since inaalam natin dito kung magkano ang babayaran na total ni Mike doon sa binili niyang items doon sa school supply shop, so ang operation po na gagamitin po natin is, of course, addition. And then, ano ang gagawin natin? So, kung operation is addition. So, add the prices of backpack, ball pens, and notebooks. So, kailangan lang po natin i-add yung presyo ng tatlong binili ni Mike. para malaman natin magkano lahat yung kanyang babayaran. Third step, what is the number sentence, solution, and answer? Okay, so number sentence muna tayo. So, pwede natin gamitin yung peso sign. Like for example, this one. 450 pesos and 25 centavos plus 76 pesos and 50 centavos plus 123 pesos and 75 centavos equals N. So, para makuha natin yung N, so, i-add lang po natin yung mga presyo. So, kapag nag-add tayo, syempre, kailangan nating sundin yung steps in adding decimals. So, yung first step natin is kailangan po natin isulat yung mga decimal numbers in column. So, yung mga decimal points or decimals, so, kailangan po natin silang i-align pag tapatin. So, paano kaya yun? So, ganito lang po. 450 pesos and 25 cents plus 76 pesos and 50 centavos plus 123 pesos and 75 centavos. So, ayan. I-add lang po natin yung presyo. So, ayan. Magsisimula tayo dito sa pinaka right side. So, 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 5, that is 10. So, lagay natin 0 and then re-regroup natin yung 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. So, we'll write 5 and then carry 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1, plus 6, 7, plus 3, 10. So, sulat po natin is 0 and then i-regroup po natin yung 1. So, 1 plus 5, we have 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15. So, we'll write 5 and then regroup natin yung 1. And then finally, 1 plus 4, that is 5, plus 1, 6. Sulat natin yung peso sign, since money po kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin, pera. And then, yung decimal point natin is, itapat lang po natin. So, therefore, N is 650 pesos and 50 centavos. The total amount, therefore, the total amount that Mike should pay for his purchase is 650 pesos and 50 centavos. So, ganyan po ilagay yung ating complete answer. Then number 4, check and look back. Is your solution correct? So, dito, pwede tayong mag-verify. Siyempre, kailangan nating i-check kung tama ba yung naging solusyon natin. So, yung nakuha nating total, 650 pesos and 50 centavos, pwede nating i-minus sa kanya yung 450 pesos and 25 cents, 76 pesos and 50 cents, and then 123 pesos and 75 cents. So, kagaya lang ng kanina. Para lang ma-check natin kung tama ba talaga yung ating sagot. So, kapag in-add natin tong nasa loob ng parenthesis, ang dapat na makukuha po natin is also 650 pesos and 50 centavos. Kasi, kapag pinag-minus po natin sila, ang sagot dapat na makuha po natin is 0. Otherwise, mali po yung ating solusyon. So, yan lang po. So, pwede rin namang i-add natin ulit. And then, pwede na yun as verifying or pag-check ng ating sagot kung tama ba or mali. Okay, so basta finalo naman natin yung steps in adding decimals. So para lang naman tayo nag-a-add ng whole numbers, wala naman pong magiging problema dun sa sagot. And then make sure yung decimal points is naka-align, nakatapat po yan. So let's have the second problem. Last May, the total harvest of tomatoes in June's farm is about 132.625 kilograms. This month of September, they harvested a total of 174.255 kilograms. What is the difference between the harvest in September than in May? Okay, so based dito sa ating problem, we're talking about harvest of tomatoes. As you can see, meron tayo dyang dalawang months, yung May and September. And then meron tayong kung ilang kilograms ng tomatoes yung na-harvest during those months. So yung first step natin, so identify natin what is given. So dito muna tayo sa what is asked. So what is asked is, pwede nating isulat yung what is the difference between the harvest in September than in May. So the difference between the harvest of tomatoes in September than in May. Ayan, so tinitignan natin, so gaano ba kalayo yung agwat nung harvest dong sa September and May. Kitang-kita naman kasi na mas maraming na harvest na tomatoes dun sa month of September than dun sa month nung May. So next naman is what are given. So what are given? So pwede nating ilagay dito harvested tomatoes in May is about 132.625 kilograms. And then harvested tomatoes, so pwede natin ilagay yung total. So total harvested in September is about 174.255 kilograms. Ayan. So ayan, next step natin is what is the operation or operations to be used. So since we have there the word difference, yung operation po natin na kailangan gamitin is subtraction. Kasi kinukuha natin kung ano ang diferensya, gaano kalayo ang na-harvest na tomatoes during May and September. Kung gaano sila kalayo. So ang gagawin lang po natin is get the difference of the total harvested tomatoes in May and September. After that, malalaman na natin. Okay, so pag-subtract lang po natin yung mga nakikita nating mga numbers dyan. So yung total amount, total weight ng tomatoes na harvest. Next, what is the number sentence, solution, and answer? Okay, so Number sentence natin, syempre, mauuna muna yung 174.255 or pwede natin siyang basahin as 174 and 255 thousandths kilograms. So, pwede rin naman yung 174.255 kilograms. So, at least alam din natin silang basahin. Hindi lang natin alam kung, hindi lang basta-basta natin sinusolve. So, next, 132.625 equals N. Ayan. So, yung N na hinahanap natin is makukuha natin kapag pinag-subtract natin sila. So, sulat natin 174.255 and then kailangan po naka-align yung mga decimal points. So, 132.625. And then, we can now subtract. So, 5 minus 5 is 0. So, we write 0. 5 minus 2, that is 3. And then, 2 minus 6 cannot be. So, manghihiram tayo dito sa 4. So, ang 4 magiging 3 na lang po siya. And then, yung 2 is magiging 12. Now, 12 minus 6, we can now subtract. The answer is 6. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 7 minus 3, that is 4. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So, we don't need to write 0. So, our final answer is, ayan. So, 41.630. Ayan, ito po ang ating final answer. Or, pwede rin naman isulat siya as 41.63 kilograms. So, ayan. So, yung ating answer dito, so, therefore, the difference between the harvest in September and May is about 41.63 kilograms. So that's it. Now, let us check our answer. So yung nakuha po nating sagot kanina is 41.63. Okay, so 41.630. So para malaman natin kung tama ba yung sagot, so pwede po nating pag-add yung 132.625 tsaka yung nakuha nating 41.63 or 630. And then kapag pinag-add natin yon, dapat po yung sagot na makuha natin is 174.255. So let us now add 132.625 and 41.630. So 132.625 plus 41. So dito natin susulat ang 41.630. 5 plus 0, that is 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 6, we have 12. So we'll write 2. And then carry 1. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 4, that is 7. And then bring down 1. So our answer is 174.255, which is equal to our answer. Okay, so 174.255. So tama po tayo na ang sagot is 41.630 or 41.63 kilograms. Chinek lang po natin sila kung tama. So for our last problem, so Mirna bought a tablet for her online class which costs 5,760 pesos and 75 centavos. Headset which cost 839 pesos and 40 centavos. And school supplies worth 1,427 pesos and 95 centavos at the mall. If her parents gave her 10,000 pesos, how much is her change? So, first step natin is identify what is asked and what are given. So, under understand. So, what is asked? So, ano ang pwede nating ilagay dito? The total amount of money left to Myrna after buying a tablet, headset, and school supplies. Next naman is what are given. So, pwede nating isulat muna 10,000 pesos. The money that she had at first. So, ito yung natanggap niyang pera sa mga magulang niya. And then, yung binili niya, tablet, na nagkakahalaga ng 5,760 pesos and 75 cents. Yung headset, na nagkakahalaga naman ng 839 pesos and 40 centavos. And then, yung school supplies. Yung school supplies naman, nagkakahalaga ng 1,427 pesos and 95 centavos. Next step. So, what is or are the operations to be used? So, since kailangan nating malaman kung magkano yung sukle na matatanggap ni Myrna dun sa kanyang mga pinamili, so kailangan po natin ang operation na subtraction. And then, bago natin malaman yung sukle, so kailangan muna nating i-add kung magkano yung total na kanyang pinamili. So, ibig sabihin, yung operation na gagamitin po natin dito is addition and subtraction. So, add the total cost of tablet, headset, and school supplies. Then, subtract the result from the money that her parents gave. So, ayan. Kailangan muna nating i-add yung total ng tatlo and then i-subtract natin dun sa 10,000. Yung binigay na pera sa kanya ng kanyang mga magulang. So, yung third step natin, so what is the number sentence, solution, and answer? So, our number sentence goes like this. So, sulat natin una is yung total amount ng money na binigay sa kanya, which is 10,000 pesos. Minus yung sum nung tatlo. So, 5,760 pesos and 75 cents plus 839 pesos and 40 cents plus yung sa school supplies naman 1,427.95 or 95 cents equals N. So, ayan. Kailangan muna nating i-add yung tatlo. So, pakita lang natin dito yan. Dito na lang banda. So, 5,760 pesos and 75 cents plus 839 pesos and 40 cents. So, tandaan natin na kailangan naka-align, nakatapat yung mga decimal points. Para bago tayo mag-add, bago tayo mag-subtract. So, and then 1,427 pesos and 95 cents. So, let's now add. So, 5 plus 0 plus 5, the answer is 10. So, we write 0 and then regroup 1. So, 1 plus 7, that is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 9, 21. So, we write 1 and then carry 2. 2 plus 0, we have 2, plus 9, 11, plus 7, 18. So, we write 8. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, we have 7, plus 3, 10, plus 2, 12. So, we'll write 2, and then carry 1. 1 plus 7, we have 8, plus 8, 16, and then plus 4, we have 20. So, write natin 0, and then carry 2. 2 plus 5, we have 7 plus 1, 8. So, yung total na pinamili ni Mirna dun sa kanyang mga gamit is 8,028 pesos and 10 centavos. And then, sulat natin dito 10,000 pesos minus 8,028 pesos and 10 centavos equals N. Now, pakita naman natin na isa-subtract sila. Okay, so dito naman natin ipakita yon. So, 10,000 pesos. Ayan. So, may mga placeholders na tayo dito, yung dalawang 0. So, minus 8,028 and 10 centavos. So, ayan. Pwede na tayong subtract ngayon. So, kapag walang zeros yung nasa taas, yung min-wend, like for example, hindi natin nilagay yung placeholder na 0, huwag po natin i-bring down yung 10 kasi mali po yun. So, pwede lang po tayo mag-bring down ng ganyan sa addition. So, pero dito hindi. Ibang usapan siya. So, 0 minus 0, we have 0. 0 minus 1. So, hindi pwede. So, kailangan po nating maghiram. So, dito, ang mangyayari, pag naghiram tayo dito, 0, magiging 9 na lang po yan. And then, itong 0, magiging 10. So, 10 minus 1, we have 9. And then, 9 minus 8 is 1. So, as you can see, i-regroup na lahat natin. Ito naman, magiging 7. And 9, ibig kong sabihin. And then, ito magiging 9 din. Ito 9. And then, ito magiging 0. Ayan, ang dami nating ni-regroup. So, 9 minus 2, we have 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So, our answer is 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. So, yun po yung ating end. 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. So, the change of Myrna is 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. Kaya pwede nating sabihin na the amount of money left to Myrna in buying his materials for her online class is 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. And then, yung ating last step, kailangan nating i-check. So, add lang natin yung kanina. So, 8,028 pesos and 10 centavos. Tsaka, yung nakuha nating change risk is 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. That is equal to 10,000 pesos. So, add tayo 8,028 and 10 centavos plus 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 9, that is 10. Carry 1. So, 1 plus 8, that is 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. So, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 7, we have 10. And then carry 1, we have 1 plus 0, 1 plus 9, we have 10. So, 0, then carry 1 ulit. So, 1 plus 8, we have 9 plus 1, 10. So, you can see, ang nakuha po nating sagot is 10,000 pesos. Kamukha po nung ating pera at first, yung money at first natin, which is yung 10,000 pesos. So, tama po na ang sagot po nating nakuha is 1,971 pesos and 90 centavos. So, for our next lesson, so we will be discussing multiplication of decimals and mixed decimals. So, tapos na tayo sa addition and subtraction. The next operation is multiplication. And then, of course, division. So, I hope meron tayong natutunan dito sa ating video lesson. So, that's all. Thank you.